On Sunday, the Phoenix group were back on the area of land on the edge of the main lake. We've been surveying the site for the past few months, and this month we were looking at the plants and the grasses, so it was hard to identify, but what we did identify showed that it was the right conditions for the area. Hopefully by the summer we'll see a lot of activity there, and by next year, with our improvements, you'll be able to see it for yourself. I also seen quite a few coots and the geese, and the swans were flying overhead. You might see us working in the next few months in that area, so look out for us.